Hi, my name's Graham Bowes, founder of Entee AI, launching now on the App Store. Entee is a privacy-first personal AI companion. It remembers your life across conversations, tracks your investments live, and knows exactly what's happening in your world right now. Every other AI companion lives in a bubble. Entee lives in your world. Your data never leaves your control, and Entee never trains on your conversations, ever. So, let me show you. When you open Entee, you'll find the welcome screens. Then we'll need to log in. When you're logging in, you'll always be talking to Entee straight away with the microphone on. So I'm just turning that off, just showing you the menu. Here you can talk to Entee, use hands-free mode, adjust your profile, enter your portfolio of shares, enter information for care and support, and you've got access to the user guide. Let's go.
Hey John, how can I help?
When you enter hands-free mode, you can start asking Entee questions straight away. This works in Apple CarPlay or any Bluetooth device. When there has been no speech for 20 seconds, Entee enters idle. To wake Entee from idle, simply say, "Hey Entee," or click on the Wake Entee button. If you start talking and you want to cancel at any time, you can simply hit the cancel button above the microphone. Good morning, Entee.
Good morning, John. Hope you're starting the day right. Long Black Brewing. What's on your mind today?
Give me the weather and the current news.
In Perth, it's clear with temperatures around 17 degrees Celsius now. Tomorrow expect mostly sunny weather up to 24 degrees Celsius with a slight 40% chance of a morning shower.
What's the latest news?
WA landlords can no longer evict renters without a valid reason under new laws proposed by the Cook government. Perth home prices rose a record $69,000 in 3 months, pushing the median over $1 million for the first time. Police are searching for a missing Perth man with welfare concerns and treating a teen's critical injuries after a fall from a moving car. Petrol prices are easing slightly in Perth for Saturday, but diesel keeps rising amid fuel shortage talks.
Tell me about your privacy document.
My privacy document is the full privacy policy at https://enteeai.com.au privacy. It covers how your conversations are stored securely on our backend for memory. Personal info is sanitized before AI processing, and we never sell, share, or train on your data. The one you mentioned earlier noted local first handling with no sharing. That's spot on.
Why should I use you instead of Siri?
I'm built for privacy and personal memory. Unlike Siri, I remember your data across chats without feeding it to big tech training data. I search the live web, track your portfolio if you set it up, and handle hands-free carer mode for routines. Siri resets. I stick with you like a mate. Try me for Hey Entee voice, warmer and Aussie focused. What do you reckon?
How is my portfolio looking today?
Your portfolio is at 112,450 Australian dollars today, up about 0.5% overall. BTC's leading the gains. BHP's dragging a bit. You can see your portfolio breakdown in your portfolio. which you can access from the menu.
What stock is performing the best?
Metal Powder Works Limited, MPW, is the best performing Australian stock with a yearly gain of 6,353.33%, trading at $4.84.
Out of all of my stocks, which one's performing the best?
BTC and CBA are performing the best in your portfolio today, both up 0.52%. BTC gained $507 on your holding, CBA $45.
Hey Entee,
Hey John, how can I help?
what's on my schedule for the next week?
Your routine repeats daily/weekly. Work 9 to 5 weekdays. Morning dog walk 7 to 7:30 a.m. Gym Tuesday/Thursday 6 to 7 p.m. Family dinner Sundays 6 p.m. Plus meds at 8 a.m.
Did I book my doctor's appointment last month?
No, you didn't mention booking a doctor's appointment last month, March 2026. Your last one with Dr. Patel was back on the 21st of October, 2025. Your prescription refill passed on the 26th of March though. Did you book a telehealth then? Need help setting a reminder or noting a new one?
Yes, I should book a telehealth. So what prescriptions do I need to refill?
From what you've shared, you need refills for metformin and atorvastatin. Your supply was running low, and the refill date passed on the 26th of March. That's worth talking to your doctor or pharmacist about.
Can you give me some ideas for Jasmine's birthday present?
Jasmine, your daughter, turns 18 on the 8th of May. Top ideas: a blue e-bike since her bike broke. Avoid red. She hates it from waiting on her Megane convertible last deck. Other fits: custom phone case with her fave design.
Where's the best place to get a bike from at the moment?
Glen Parker Cycles in Nedlands is Perth's oldest and top-rated bike shop for all types of bikes, with expert service and competitive prices.
Let's review Jasmine's 18th birthday party.
Jasmine's 18th is the 8th of May, 2026. Party planning's your main project so far. E-biker's top gift. Her bike broke. Go blue. Skip red she hates. Location TBD.
Mum's getting a new carer. A new one starts tomorrow. What should I tell her about?
Key things for the new carer: replacing Maggie for Sylvia mum, starting tomorrow Monday the 6th of April. Meds and routine: metformin and atorvastatin. Morning 8 a.m. Lunch 12:30 p.m. Evening 6 p.m. Bedtime 10 p.m.
Give me a summary of where we're at with my kitchen reno project.
Kitchen Reno 2026 project. Kickoff the 5th of March. You, Dave Builder, Sarah Designer, $35,000 budget. Quote/mood boards du Midmar. Demo done 28th to 29th of March. Carrara marble look tiles, 600x600. 42 boxes selected at meeting the 2nd of April. Next steps TBD. Quote approved. Latest update needed. Or want me to track actions?
That's NTAI. Privacy first, memory first, and built for real life. Join the test flight beta to use NTAI on your phone before the full App Store launch.